Introducing the CDD15II and CDD20II full electric stackers, your ideal solution for efficient warehouse handling. Built with stand-on operation design, they deliver smooth control and all-day working comfort. With strong load capacity and stable performance, they handle heavy workloads with ease. Featuring flexible lifting heights and compact structures, they work perfectly even in narrow aisles. Powered by advanced AC drive systems and equipped with durable PU wheels, they run quietly and reliably. The stable wheelbase and smart design ensure steady operation in every working condition. Safe, efficient, and eco-friendly, these electric stackers are built to boost productivity in warehouses, factories, and logistics centers.